best.
Great.
Maraming salamat
Thank you,
sa inyo.
Juan.
Thank you, Juan.
Thank you.
Hope all
Thank
is
you,
well.
Juan.
Hope all is well out there in the stateside, huh? You in Chicago right now?
Yes, cold as a woman's heart.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Weather must
grabe.
be great.
Wow.
Winter dito ngayon. So, but anyway, wag magalit ha. That was just a metaphor. Baka magagalit naman yung mga
Hindi.
kababaihan nating mga fans. So,
Sige po.
anyway, sige.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Good luck
Thank
sa
you, Juan.
Gilas.
Maraming salamat. Ingat
Thank
po.
you.
Yes, will
Wow,
do.
okay.
Do the same. Thank you.
All
Nako,
right.
galing,
So-
Pao, no?
Juan
Galing
Gomez
ni,
de
ano.
Leaño, ayan.
Yeah.
Alam
that's
mo,
why.
first, let me just say this. Congratulations to you. Because he's an active PBA player na
No.
napapasok
Let
mo
me
dito
correct
sa
you
show
that.
natin.
No, sorry, Pao. Let me correct you. He's not just an active player. He is a rookie of the year.
Wow, okay. Okay.
There's no way he loses. Sino ba? Sino ba ang who else is rookie of the year na makatalo kay ano? Kay Juan.
Hindi yung Rookie of the Year.
Yun na nga. Nobody. There's nobody. It's a formality na ibigay sa kanya yung award.